Don't mess up. Don't mess up.
I'll mess up if I want.
I'm accidentally making a TV just because the hole's like that.
They're accidentally making a TV. This look like no TV I know.
It's the Fire
Just wait,
Channel,
Thomas.
Thomas.
You'll see it soon. Oh, see, it is a TV. It's just facing up. Fire is on TV.
It's the History Channel.
It's just fire in a big hole.
No, that'd be the Spider Channel. The History Channel.
God
The history of spiders.
And how they became prison guards. You looking at my prison boy.
Oh, also those dry branches. Toss those in too.
Once this burns down the coals. Oh wait, you mean these?
Once this burns down the coals,
Yes. No.
sorry, you're gonna
No, I
be
mean
the only
those.
place to work.
The brambles.
Rambles.
Brambles.
Say your words, Papa Thomas. Yeah, Thomas, come
The brambles.
on. What?
Who needs a saw?
Did you just snap it?
You just smacked it. It broke into 3 pieces.
I'm surprised this thing I'm sitting on didn't break into 3 pieces. Yeah.
Release the scorpion onto Thomas.
No!
What do you say? Not much.
What does he taste like?
He's not cooked yet. That's a fat ass scorpion. I wonder if that's gravid. Hang on, I need to get my forceps.
Fire.
That's one big scorpion.
That's what she said.
It's the Dark Souls 2 boss. So you know.
Everyone did. No, I don't imagine they were made for porn. Come here.
See, now there's just an extra step to kindling a fire. Making sure the log doesn't catch on fire.
Well, it is a horrible step. It is on fire.
Yeah, I know. It was ablaze earlier. Oh. That might just be reflections of the fire on the wet parts.
That's what you get for putting tar in your logs, Tom.
I didn't. It was like that when we moved here. Where do you even get leftover railroad ties?
You could just go somewhere in the cellar.
Just steal them from a railroad?
You want to cut that? There's just a piece of grass on there and it caught on fire. It's just sitting on the. Oh, well, that wasn't.
That is a very hot fire. Maybe putting these logs around so that we could have bigger fires was a bad idea.
This is a good idea.
I can't even put that one out with this.
Let me toss a specimen pile worth of water on it. Go restart the hose.
Start the hose. Sprint quickly.
Well, that happened to the other one, too.
Does that mean we can leave it? Like
Dump the
that?
bucket on it.
No.
I can't
The
pick the
entire
bucket up.
bucket. The bucket is very heavy.
They all have holes in
50
them.
drams
Just
of water
go
here.
start the water hose.
That reminds me of the Archer
Get the
thing where
Tupperware
she's like she
container.
has 5 drams of bull's blood.
It's even more than 50 drams.
It's at least 200.
Oh, yeah, it's much better.
This is how wildfires start. Smokey's gonna show up and be like, "You damn kids, we're 20."
Why didn't you manage the fire well? I tried. We used Tupperware and we were trying to put it out.
The Tupperware's actually kind of working, kind of.
And then he just mauls you and you're just there bleeding to death. He pisses all over the fire.
This is retarded.
No, these fires are very flammable.
Shut the fuck up, Dago.
Yeah. Looks like our firewalls are catching on fire.
Did I say tires are very flammable?
Our fire is very flammable.
Oh, I meant to say these railroad ties are very flammable.
Jesus, that really is hot though.
Yeah, it's so hot, it's catching the railroad ties on fire.
Well, they're covered in tar.
Very good.
Oh, this log's on top of some of our Here.
Now we can do this. I love cooking steak.
Do you like your sticks rare or well done?
Hard about it. I like them yellow. Have a good shape. Man, we haven't caught any smoke. It's so hot, dude, that we burned in the fire. Now what might be opening? Crickets? Yeah. I don't have any more crickets. I'll have to get more.
Then the wind picks back up.
How long do those beetles live?
Usually beetles live like that.
He finally decided it wasn't worth opening the gate.
Here, toss this in.
Okay.
This is heavier than I thought.
I packed it with C4.
Okay, well the center isn't there.
Crickets? Oh, I guess that's long for beetles.
Rhinoceros beetles live a little longer than that.
Why do all of your sticks have gasoline in them?
They don't. I don't know what's up with those beetles. They're beetles.
Those beetles, you're just throwing beetles into the fire and they're like,
I don't even know where those sticks came from.
Just have a big bucket, you take the lid off of it, and just pull it.
They were just over there.
huh, so that's pretty good.
Why would they toss that over the fence but not their fucking logs?
Because those are too big.
I want to take those logs. They're just gonna sit there and rot.
You know, we could go ask them and they'll say, yeah, sure, I don't
But they're
see
old
why not."
people.
Exactly.
They had their grandchildren over at one point and they were talking to Buddy. Yes. The little boy was like, your dog has a penis. And the little girl was like, we all know that, little boy. They were both very awkward. But I guess they were very young.
It's so warm you can't even smell the oil burning anymore.
Uh-oh, that one's on fire.
Yay!
Oh, damn it, I was just about to take this
Oh,
off.
so's that one.
Oh yeah.
Not again. Oh, get the Tupperware.
I'm not helping you move these logs again. Even though I only helped you move
By the
logs.
end of this.
Yeah, by the end of this, they're just gonna be like wooden husks that you'll burn anyway next time we burn something.
I was really expecting these the ties to be harder to burn.
They've been rotting in your yard for
Under-
years.
The oil degrades.
More than a decade.
Damn it, it's on the bottom of it, so it's not even... And the freaking tar is making the water just jump off of it.
I have no idea why there's so much tar on these.
Made it angry.
Well, at least the ties aren't burning anymore.
We need to take a picture of like all the tires on fire and how like Photoshop a cowboy hat onto Justin and boots, and then it's just meanwhile in Texas.
Everybody likes to pretend railroads are still being built.
Meanwhile, in Texas, this is how you stop your grass from burning. You burn it first.
Grass can't burn if it's dead.
I think it burns better if it's dead.
Jesus, Connor.
Not if it's dead enough.
Oh God, they got the ferret hook.
Okay,
Why do we need the saw?
because that stick is too long.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you were gonna sew the tie-in.
Yeah, I was going. I don't think it needs less weight.
So, there's not gonna be much more sitting on these like seats.
No, I don't think so. I was thinking of even trying to make it taller or something. I don't think that's a good idea. Maybe wider, like thicker. Yeah, I'll do something. I think for now I'll just shore up the
Jeez, I wonder what
pieces.
you do in your free time.
Maybe we could even do a thing where we do
Oh.
cut the ties into smaller chunks so we can fill up the holes easier.
That sounds like work.
But I think we need a saw, like a machine saw.
I mean, the chainsaw would work.
What about your electric saw?
No, that wouldn't work.
Oh, the pull side? Oh, that was still in the Durango?
Yeah.
Oh.
That said take it out, but I knew we were gonna trim those, so I just sort of ignored them.
Well, aside from the shit we just cut, at least this takes care of all our brush.
What do you mean? We're burning that too.
Buddy's all confused.
I don't think so.
No, I just need to take a fiery stick over there and drop it on the pile.
Oh yeah, and then burn down all that shit that's been sitting under.
We're just gonna end up burning that too, so what? It might as well. We'll call the fire department about an hour after it's all burnt down.
The fire got away from us.
It got away, and then there's a video of me walking up to it with gasoline and a stick.
Going, fuck the neighbors.
I thought it would put it out. Whoa. I heard on the interwebs that pouring gasoline eventually it goes out.
We did that with diesel, right?
We did that way.
I think I remember that.
Holy shit, there you go. Look, you're gonna want this. Get your specimen vial. It's a wolf spider.
Spider. Kill it.
Where is it?
Right there. Right there. The wolf spider.
Is it underneath this?
No, it's right there.
Oh, holy shit, it's massive.
I've seen it around. I know that exact one. It's been on the hose
Ooh,
before.
it's on the aggressive stance. Well, no, you don't.
Stick a stick up behind it.
I didn't bring the lids. Got
Oh.
a lid. Oh, it's a jungle spider.
Here you go. The,
Big one.
Wonder if my beetle would eat this.
Maybe.
got out.
Doesn't
It's just a wolf spider.
matter. It looks big and crawly.
It's non-venomous.
I don't care.
And then it jumps on your face.
Well,
Crawls in
Now
your
turn it
nose and lays
over.
eggs.
Caught on some grass. There we go.
You didn't rip his leg off, did you?
Nope.
Oh yeah, he looks pissed off.
Oh yeah, he was all aggressive stance.
Hello, creepy spider.
It's just like you couldn't have gotten a bigger specimen vial. Why don't you put the top on all the way?
Then it jumps out.
I don't think it can climb these ways.
Don't turn it
oh,
on.
the ties are on fire again.
Go down, that's a stick.
No, look, the tie's on fire.
Where?
Look.
Oh, god damn it. Oh, I got everywhere already.
When the fire department shows up, I'm gonna say it's his idea.
I guess it kind of was. Nope, still going. Well, I guess I shouldn't be tossing stuff in or trying to put stuff out.
Oh,
No, it's on the
right
up.
under.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Peter, why are you acting all out this way? I think
All
I
the
heard
water's
it.
just coming off.
Hmm. I think enabling us to have larger fires was a bad idea.
Yeah. I don't think this is enabling us to have larger fires. It's kind of a hindrance.
Hmm.
No, we just need to build around the...
Yeah, just
Really?
make
We
it
just need to
thicker.
get a bunch of dirt and make it into like a mini volcano.
Yeah.
We'll use thermite to make it real.
No.
Uh,
I wanted to make napalm.
sounds
It was
cool, but
fake napalm.
I'm not sure how legal it is.
Uh,
I'm pretty sure it's super illegal.
pretty sure making thermite is illegal.
No,
It's not?
because they use thermite welding on train tracks.
Oh my
You
god.
don't need any kind of permit for it?
Nope. Well, you don't need a permit to weld regularly.
I don't know.
We just see it as a kind of welding, but then people don't use it like that. They haven't really updated it.
Oh.
Yeah, one of its ways. Now it's always
Did those kind of spiders throw it back?
okay.
Oh.
I think that's pretty much it. I'll just have to go over this patch with the lawnmower.
I'm so much help during this, Thomas. I know.
Yes.
Oh, god damn it.
So it seems there's just a heat threshold we can't cross with this fire.
Alright, Thomas, go grab some bratwurst.
We actually do have 2 packs of 16 bratwursts.
I don't think you want to cook them.
It's only some fire and stuff.
Aside from that, you're not going to cook them even.
Yeah. I mean, you could wrap them in tinfoil, toss them in. I mean, that's how you cook goat, but you actually bury it under the fire. And then you do this. We actually did that once. We went to like some ranch in Mexico and they did that. They buried it in coals and then just made a fire on top of the coals. It was actually very good.
Just a whole dead goat.
Yeah, so just a whole one. I was not involved with the cleaning because I was young. Stop doling my saw.
It's not dull, Thomas. It's actually.
I'm sorry, I overtempt my fire. I'm going to cool it down a little.
But really, these palm fronds, they take a bit to burn, but they burn real hot.
Okay. The palm, the cedar is what caused the smoke fire earlier.
That's how these things first caught on fire.
It was very frustrating. Especially since we already had the solution, just not how to get to it. Ah, that was hot.
Cooking.
Yes.
Now you can see the hellfire everywhere. Great fire. I think it being in a pit is just making it burn hotter.
Makes it harder for the heat to escape.
Uh,
I'm surprised it can stay that much. How is it getting its oxygen?
I think it's just pulling it. Like it's sucking it in from the sides because all the heat forces the air upward.
So then if we were to fill in the cracks in the logs, the fire wouldn't be as well.
Well, I think it's mainly just this.
But you can see the
Massive
stuff
opening.
going under it inside.
Yeah, it's going towards it.
What the fuck did this come from?
Well, that's from inside the log.
Yeah,
I
the
turned it
log
over.
piece. getting hot and stuff will fall.
Because of all the oil. Well,
I think we're a bit too late for that.
yeah, we didn't even smoke. Well, you vape, you deserve the cancer. God damn it.
Damn it, this thing doesn't break even ever.
What is that? What's that from?
What?
That stuff.
Did it grow on a tree or something?
I mean, I would assume, but I don't
It used to
know.
be a vine of some sort.
The vine monster that was living in your backyard.
But where do we have vines?
Probably somewhere along your fence or something.
Because that shit burns like hell. Look at that.
Yeah.
It's on fire. Like a real fire.
Well, we can't go stuff in the bed now.
Just blow on it, Thomas.
Well, since this cell phone is now very hot, I guess I'll stop this.
My phone overheats when I run around in the sun.
I thought you were gonna use the little bucket.
There we go. Oh yeah.
And then the searchlight come on and goes,
Jesus, Tom.
It's gonna take forever.
Oh. Oh, let's go, please.
you're stacking metal over the place.
Yeah, we're going to spray it on the bit, so it's just gonna blow everywhere.
The next time I'm over, we will do something.
Liar.
Or we'll get to the last level and then not beat it, just like before.
You murderer!
The rock was already dead.
The rock's dead? Someone tell the internet.
Yeah, see? Something else.
What? I don't know where she is.
Don't throw the dogs out. Good boy. Go get him, buddy.
The underside of that log needs to get wet.